Okay, so question 10, how are ionic compounds named? Okay, so I'll just quickly answer. It's pretty simple to name ionic compounds. First, you name the cation, which is your metal. And then you name your anion, which is the nonmetal. And then this is depending on if you have like a metal that can have multiple oxidation numbers. You can add the charge in parentheses. Yeah, so this depends on the type of metal that you have, but we can have an example. Let's say we had one copper and one chlorine. The oxidation number for chlorine is -1. So this means that the oxidation number of copper is +1. So the name of this compound is copper 1 and then chloride. So when we name our anion, we add the suffix of "ide." Okay, so let's show us another example. If we had 2 atoms of chlorine reacting with 1 atom of copper, each chlorine has a -1, but since there are 2 of them, this means that the oxidation number for copper should be +2 if we want the overall charge to be neutral. So the name of this ionic compound is copper 2 and then chloride. Okay, so the junior tutor has a very lengthy and informative response, combining the name of cation and anion. So then they just start off with binary compounds. NaCl is sodium and the chlorine ion. And then we remove the "ine" and replace it with "ide." The name of NaCl, therefore, is sodium chloride. And then for ionic compounds composed of polyatomic ions, we just combine the names of these ions. So if we had ammonium and the nitrate ion, it would just be ammonium nitrate. So it's pretty simple for that. And then another consideration we need to take is the oxidation state of some metal cations. So they show that iron can have 2 cation forms, Fe2+ and Fe3+. The name Fe2+ is also known as the ferrous ion. Fe3+ is the ferric ion. Generally, we use us for the cation with the lower number oxidation number and ic for the cation with the higher oxidation number. And then we apply the same rules for binary compounds. And then, however, the system above is helpful only for metals with 2 cation forms. And it's only used for metals with Latin names such as iron, gold, silver. So another system was developed, and this is the stock system, which designates the oxidation number of the metal by using Roman numerals. So I always found it easier to just do it the Roman numeral way, since it's still correct and you don't need to deal with the ferrous and the ferric. So this is their examples for the same compounds, iron 2 chloride and iron 3 chloride respectively. Yep, so the solution is correct. Okay, so if you enjoyed today's Q&A and you'd like to be notified of when we do this next, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell below. If you'd like to submit a question of your own, then check out the links in the description. Also, don't forget to share with your friends and classmates if they needed any help with chemistry. This has been Donna from OneClass, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.